ano ka mag-picture yung ano. Alam mo dyan sa may Pangarto, Dennis, meron akong binibiling bilog dyan na yung pang breakfast. Ang sarap. Yeah, bibili nga tayo. Army Museum. Ha? No, pumasok ka na. Ano ba mo? Wala namang bayad ah. You don't have to pay. No pay. No flash. But I can. No camera. Me. Sure. I'll take you. What was your rank, sir, during Vietnam War?
What?
Your rank. What's your rank? Are you infantry? First lieutenant?
Yeah.
Wow, sir, outstanding. So you retire as captain, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, outstanding, sir. I'm a chief warrant officer in the Marine Corps. Okay, sir. Thank you for your service. Okay, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, they have to put money. I said I can video. Yeah, all the way down. Caution, watch your step. Okay, that's it. This we are now in the U.S. Army Museum. Sabi, pwede daw mag-video eh. Can video.
This is the Battery Dudley that we learned about here, and the battle there was over 150 years ago. This is kind of a model version of what we're doing outside.
Hawaiian Island.
You're defending your country, so you're defending the USA. This way.
Camp McKinley. Yan ako pinanganak niya, Fort William McKinley.